In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product title in WooCommerce fast and easy. Whether you're launching a new online store or simply updating an existing one, adding a product title is fundamental to effectively managing your store's inventory and helps customers quickly identify your products. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Think of this as the heart of your website management, where all your modifications will take place. So go ahead and open your web browser, navigate to the WordPress login page, and make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials. Once this is done, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This will be your central hub for today's task. With your dashboard open, turn your attention to the left-hand side, where you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Products. This is a crucial area because it's where all your store items are listed, and it's from here that we'll be managing our inventory today. Click on Products, and a drop-down menu will appear featuring several options. The one we're interested in is Add New. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new product entry form. This is where we'll be putting in the bulk of our work. Now that you're on this new page, the first thing you'll notice is a prominently placed box at the top labeled Product Title. This is where you'll input the name of your product. It's essential to put some thought into this, as the product title is often the first piece of information a potential customer will see. You want something concise, yet descriptive enough to clearly convey what your product is. As you type out your chosen title, take an extra moment to ensure there are no typos or formatting errors, as this will help make your store look professional. Once you're satisfied with your product title, it's crucial to make it live so it becomes visible on your site. If you look over to the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a section titled Publish. Give that a click, and with that, congratulations. Your product, complete with its shiny new title, is now live on your WooCommerce store. And there you have it. You've learned to quickly and effortlessly add a product title in WooCommerce. As you continue to add more products, keep in mind that a clear and enticing title can make all the difference for potential customers browsing your store. This straightforward